Alright, so I want to do a tire rotation on my Mazda 2016 Mazda CX-5. This time around I'm just going to do front to back to front. So I'm just jacking up one side. Make sure you're using jack stands. You can kind of see where I put it. Did some research and that was the best place for it. But jack stands. This kind of makes it easier this time around because I just have to jack up one side. If you want to do all four, I think the easiest way would be to jack up the entire car. Also too, it is a 21mm socket. I'll verify the torque after I get these things off. And do the same thing to the rest of them. Alright, so when you torque these down, it's 80 to 108 foot-pounds. Down this side, next side. But that's it. If you like it, subscribe.